In this video, I will show you how to get dark mode on YouTube Studio on a PC desktop. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to want to do is of course come across to youtube.com. So I've actually got dark mode switched on at the moment, and as you can see it basically makes the screen darker. So if you spend a lot of time on YouTube, this of course is just going to be a lot more comfortable on your eyes rather than staring at the bright, white, vibrant screen that you normally get. So to go ahead and change this onto YouTube Studio, first you want to make sure you're signed into the correct account. And once that's done, just come up to the profile icon up in the top right hand corner, give that a click, and then come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So next, once you're on your studio, again what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your icon, and you're going to see an option down here which says appearance. Now you can see it's currently set to dark for this one as well, so you just want to click onto this, and if yours is set to light you can change it to dark from here. So you can see I've just changed it to light, and as I say, it does make a difference if you spend a lot of time on YouTube. If you have the light theme on, then it is bright and vibrant, but of course it does put quite a bit of strain on the eyes. Whereas if you change this to dark mode, it's just going to make it a bit more comfortable on the eyes if you're spending longer periods of time on YouTube. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate if you left a like on the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.